This video will break down the thermodynamic principles governing your laptop's hardware survival, focusing on the thermal dynamics of laptop overheating, and why the, quote, lap is the enemy of the machine. Laptops are essentially heat engines. They generate significant heat during normal operation as a byproduct of processing power. The system is specifically designed to manage this heat under defined conditions. The design intent is to create a circulation loop. Laptops use vents on the bottom and sides to draw in cool environmental air and actively expel hot air. This requires unobstructed intake and exhaust pathways. The environment changes when the device moves from a tabletop to a laptop. Soft, uneven surfaces like laps, blankets, or cushions alter the physics of the system, triggering 3 distinct thermal failures. These failures include blocked airflow, which interrupts circulation, the insulation effect, which traps thermal energy, and heat transfer, which saturates the laptop chassis. The first dynamic is the choked intake. Placing the device on a lap or cushion allows the material to block the bottom and side vents. The cooling cycle is broken because cool air cannot enter and hot air cannot escape. Dynamic 2 is the insulation effect. Soft materials act as thermal insulators, trapping heat against the device instead of allowing it to dissipate. This external temperature feeds back into the internal system. Dynamic 3 is conductive heat transfer. With blocked vents and trapped heat, internal components rapidly rise in temperature. The system sheds this heat through conduction, making the device physically hot to the touch. To restore equilibrium, use the laptop on a flat, hard surface. This restores the required gap for vent operation, eliminates the insulation of soft fabrics, and allows for adequate airflow and natural heat dissipation. If you must work away from a desk, simulate a desk's properties. Use a laptop stand to elevate the chassis or a lap desk to provide a firm, flat barrier. The goal is to ensure proper ventilation regardless of location. The thermal rules of engagement are simple. Airflow plus heat dissipation equals performance. Do not block vents with soft materials. Do prioritize flat, hard surfaces that support the system's cooling design. Keep it cool, keep it running, respect the thermodynamics, and your machine will respect you.